Combining the extraordinary beauty of old-growth red gum timber with the ultimate in sustainable harvesting, natural attrition, our handcrafted, custom-made red gum timber furniture and homewares allow you luxury with peace of mind.
Hi, Jeff Simpson with Digby from Fallen Timber Furniture Company. I love creating a fusion with timber and recycled vintage horse-drawn equipment, resulting in unique pieces filled with history, character and life. Our team can also create more traditional pieces, timeless and elegant works full of warmth and beauty. No living tree is harmed in the production process, and our workshop is solar powered.
Nestled on the floodplains of the King River in Oxley, northeast Victoria, Brangie is the home of Fallen Timber Furniture Company and boasts one of the few remnant old-growth red gum forests of this area. Over the years of cyclical droughts and floods, many of these hundreds-year-old majestic giants have fallen and died. This natural attrition, however, provided the nucleus for the ultimate in sustainably produced red gum timber furniture, a new lease of life befitting of these regal giants of the river plains. The astonishing range of colours is due to age and being subjected to and moved around by floodwaters before being rescued and expertly milled to accentuate the true natural beauty in unique pieces of bespoke furniture and homewares. No two are alike, making each sustainably produced piece a truly unique one-off with zero impact on the environment. We're passionate about helping you realise your dreams. We will hand tool and individually craft the timber you choose to make your vision a reality. Why bespoke? In keeping with sustainability, we want to create what clients really want and desire to fit perfectly in their lifestyle. We believe in individuality, not one size fits all. The joy and pride our customers experience through our unique creations and the knowledge they are helping preserve our fragile environment is immensely rewarding to us. Whether you are after a traditional or contemporary piece, or even a walk on the wild side, we can fulfil your needs and desires. Our gift to the Victorian community and beyond will be to protect and regenerate the red gum forest, returning it to a more natural state, providing a healthy and diverse ecosystem, sanctuary for native fauna and flora, and environmental security for future generations. Beautiful red gum timber furniture that doesn't harm the earth.